chorizo, egg and lime pickle. An intense flavour combination and only 5 minutes to make. Pickle, 3 eggs, a hot pan. I use lard for cooking over things like seed oils and stuff because the richness of the flavour that comes through when you cook with lard and the crispiness is far superior. One thing I've learned recently is don't crack the eggs on the side of the pan or try and crack them with a knife. Instead, just hit them gently against a flat surface and you'll be able to crack them with your hands, just like a pro. And the best part is you're not fishing bits of shell out of the pan. I'm still new to this, so 2 out of 3 yolks isn't bad. So what's great about cooking in lard is you get a crispy underside, but then you still get a runny yolk, if that's your thing. If it isn't, maybe give them a flip halfway through. Here I'm using a black garlic chorizo, but any chorizo works fine. I just chop it into slices about 1 centimetre thick. So I didn't say before, but I've had the heat very high for the eggs. But now I've turned the heat off, so the chorizo will just cook in the residual heat in the oil, and that's it. The final thing is to add that dollop of lime pickle, just to cut through the fattiness and the saltiness of the eggs and the chorizo. And it really sort of rounds off the whole flavour combination. A bit of a detour from the normal content, but I'll be back to doing some blender stuff very soon. In the next video I'll be showing my progress on my entry into the Endless Engines competition. That's the Corridor Crew dude, Clint. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. Last time there were thousands of entries and some very talented individuals doing some wonderful creative things. So I look forward to more of the same this time. See you next time. So since the subject matter of this video deviated somewhat from the regular content of this channel, here is me making eggs and chorizo in Blender.